Euro CAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this pair Euro against Canadian. Before we get into the analysis, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Reason is quite simple. You will not see the analysis of these pairs. And the way I do analysis is that I end up giving you free entry and exit signals, which nobody else does on their YouTube videos. For that, they actually charge you thousands of dollars. Or if not, then they ask you to join some paid membership on Telegram. Okay, for now, for me, I have done everything for free for you guys. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and like, because you will, by the end of this video, you will understand why am I saying subscribe and like. So don't subscribe now, don't like now, watch the video till the end, and then you will understand what is different in this video in comparison to other in comparison to other videos on the YouTube. Okay, so subscribe and like after you have seen the video till the end if you like it. And then we have some links below the video. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now once you click on the link, you will be taken to a speech here where you can see that we can make money in forex trading with some automation as well by using the software. So this method is mainly for those people, you could say for newbies who are not interested, who are not interested in learning manual trading, because manual trading is complicated. Not everybody can do that. Okay, so in case you want to do something on automation, you can check out this program. And second link says join my Telegram for free. So make sure you are connected with, in my Telegram, because if you want some free signals every now and then, I will send those free signals in my Telegram only. Okay. And then if you want to check out the best prop firm and forex brokers for you, so click on this link here, come to this page, check out the best prop firm in the world, click here and then check out your brokers if you want to start with them. Okay. All of these are trusted ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, if you are looking for a prop firm is that you don't have money, you want to trade with somebody else's money. For that, you have to pass a test and join the prop firm. Okay, so this is the best one which I'm giving you. And then we have the broker. So you want to start your own, account, and you want to sign up with a broker. Then check out these links. Okay, so you go and check out these links in your spare time after this video. And before starting the analysis, let's go through some minute disclaimers as well. My videos are for educational purposes only. I'm not responsible for any of your profits and losses. I have to say this, but I know what I'm doing. Anyways, second disclaimer is I'm not doing any scalping strategy. So if you're a scalper doing trading in 5 minutes or 15 minutes, I can't help you, but you can watch my videos and you can get the idea what is the long-term trend and how should you, decide your positions after understanding the whole situation. Okay. Now let's start the video starting with a top-down approach. So we'll start with the weekly time frame in Euro CADs. As you can see, weekly is up. In weekly is we are in the buy trend. Daily we are in the buy trend as well. As you can see in the 4 hour as well, we are in the buy trend. Okay, but the problem is, I think we are in the we should be taking a pullback now. Okay, so if you go back to weekly, I think it's time for a pullback. Okay, so weekly we have made a new high. So the previous high was broken in the weekly. And then let's check monthly as well. So in the monthly, we have broken as well. Okay, so I think it's time for pullback. Monthly high is broken, weekly high is broken, and a daily high is broken as well. Okay, so in EuroCAD, we will take only buys, but not now. We have to wait for the pullback. So if you take a look at the 4 hour, as you can see here, in the 4 hours already starting to come down. And also if you check today is what? Today is 21st of April. Today we have a GBP bank holiday. Euro bank holiday, and the Canadian market is open. Okay, so when you talk about EuroCAD, Euro is bank holiday already, so Euro is not open. Only Canadian is open, which means we are going down anyway. Okay, so as I said that weekly, monthly high is broken, daily weekly high is broken, daily high is broken. What it means that you're supposed to wait for a pullback in daily. Okay, it should come maybe maybe until here somewhere. So it has to use your Fibonacci retracement tool and wait for the pullback. In 4 hour, in daily, it's up to you. Okay, so wait for the retracement pullback, and then when you have confirmation blue candle, then only enter. So in short, I am not looking for any entries in EuroCAD in any time soon. Okay, we will be looking for only buys, but after the pullback, proper pullback, then proper confirmation candle. Okay, so as of now, any entry in EuroCAD, I don't think so, because we already have broken all the highs. So we have to wait for the pullback. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and check out these links, brokers, prop firms, and all that. And I'll see you in my next analysis. Take care.